Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm making coconut candy, Kube Toffee or Ayigbe Toffee, and I hope you like it. As I always say, no long talk biao big two. Okay, let's get started. I have my granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar, and then I have ginger paste. I have salt and then coconut milk. I'm using canned one, but you can use fresh one and extract the milk from it. My pan is on medium heat. I'm going to mix the coconut milk plus my sugar and then salt and ginger paste together, and then stir it very well to dissolve the sugar. Now the sugar has dissolved. I'm going to stir it till it's thick, brown, sticky. Let the sterilization begin. Okay. So it has started thickening up. It's coming together. Now it's done. I'm going to transfer it on my board. Very hot. It's very hot, so I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to be moving it around with this plastic thingy to help it cool faster so that I can work with my hands. Now it's a bit okay. I can use my hands. Now I'm going to use my hands to roll it, mold and roll it. This, if you are making it at home, you can just roll it anyhow, any way you want. So I'll just roll it how I can roll it because it's very hot. It's still hot. So I use the bowl to cover it so that it will not be hard. That will prevent it from it getting hard. So I'm rolling it. Now I'm going to use my knife to cut it into smaller pieces. Still, it's a bit hot, so it's sticky. I'll let it sit and then cool down. That one, it's easier for it to break. Now it's cool. Now you can see it's very easy to break it. That's it really. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, so we keep popping with yumminess, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Till next time, peace.